The rolling spider has an exclusive free-fall takeoff mode. Press the free-fall takeoff button, then as soon as you let go of the rolling spider, the engines will start automatically. Rolling spider can also perform flips. To enable this function, in the flip menu, select the type of flip you want to perform, then tap your finger 2 times quickly anywhere on the piloting screen to trigger the flip. It is also possible to make a flip when the rolling spider is moving. The joypad mode allows you to take snapshots and record videos of the rolling spider in action with your device's camera. To do this, press the rec button and the videos will be automatically saved in the gallery. On the rolling spider's control interface, press Photo button to take snapshots with the vertical camera. To recover your photos, go to the Context menu and press Internal Memory. Select the photos that you wish to save and then press Transfer to add them to the gallery. You can also retrieve or delete them by connecting the Parrot rolling spider to your computer using the micro USB cable.